I've noticed something very strange. My strongest work comes when I stop thinking about the outcome altogether. I simply start creating without any expectations. At first, it feels a bit unsettling, like I'm losing control. But then a different state takes over. Focus shifts fully into the action itself, into the process of creating. And in this state, everything changes. My hand becomes freer, my decisions bolder, and mistakes stop getting in the way. Sometimes it's exactly those mistakes that lead to the best result. The most interesting part is that the moment I start trying to make it perfect, everything tightens. But when I let go, the work starts to breathe on its own. And now, more and more often, I choose the process over the result in my head, because that's where the things appear that I end up truly loving.